Natalia, welcome back to my channel. So I can proudly say today I am upgrading to the AirPods 3. I'm so excited because I have been using the first ever AirPods for 2 years now, and I've been constantly waiting at an Apple event to reveal the AirPods 3. So I am so glad that it did, because these are very run down now. I'm surprised they're even working. They're fully functioning. I mean, they were good AirPods. They are discontinued now, so this is how old these actually are. I never had the second gen, as it was basically the same thing, just better battery. I didn't have AirPods Pro. These are more on the premium side, but I didn't have it for the few reasons basically, and it's that I don't like the ear tips. I know I'm one of the percentage of people, the category of people that don't like the ear tips. They were falling out of my ears, and I know there's different sizes, but still I didn't find it comfortable. So I really like the molded type of AirPods instead, so I'm really glad they continued these and didn't go for the same design as the AirPods Pro. The price of the AirPods 3 were surprisingly affordable, so it was £170, so $179, and this is a really good price range. So on the top we do have the AirPods Pro, which have gone down slightly, and they now include a MagSafe charger. So for anyone that still wants to get the Pros, it's a good time to get them now. So this one also has the MagSafe charging case included, so this is really good for that price. Let's just go and open up the box. And you can't see them yet because we do have the instructions, which I probably need to read as I don't know all the touch sensors. Now, got the AirPods 3. The case, I love the case already because it does remind me of the AirPods Pro, but it's so much smaller than the AirPods Pro. It basically looks like they turned the AirPods sideways. We do get the connecting button at the back, so same as the old design. The charging input is still included if you don't want to use the MagSafe. So another feature is very similar to the Pro is you do get the charging light at the front instead of inside. Ooh, yeah, so nice. So you don't get it inside anymore, and I just realized I opened it without showing you guys. So look how beautifully they're just laid out. The top of the AirPods looks so much bigger than the original. It's actually pretty scary, and I am really hoping these will fit in my ears really good, because I'll be very disappointed if they're not suitable for my ears. Here they are. Still easy to take them out, so they're not very fiddly as I thought. I hope I'm not going to drop them, but in case I do drop them, there is Apple Care on AirPods now, so for any damage and things like that you will be covered, and it's only £25, so a good peace of mind if you do drop your AirPods regularly. I'm a bit scared to put it in my ears, but okay. Wow, they fit really good. They do fit really good. And I also love the AirPods because it's just so much easier to put in, but with the Pros I had to really fiddle. So far I feel like they have a bit of blocking from the environment. It's kind of weird, it does slightly block the outsides, but they do not have noise cancellation compared to the AirPods Pro. But this is a really good thing for me. I do prefer not having noise cancellation because I wouldn't use it in the AirPods Pro anyway. I like hearing the outside environment more. I don't know what it is, it just makes me feel a bit safer when I'm walking, and I do use my AirPods when I'm traveling and knowing I can hear all the cars around me and all the extra noise. But of course it is a little bit annoying, but if I'm on the train or things where I'm kind of more comfortable with having noise cancellation, I would use my over-the-ear headphones. They have also added a feature which I'm really happy about, and it's the sweat and water resistance. Now I don't know how far the water resistance goes to, but I'm just glad that if it is raining and just little splashes here and there, the AirPods will still be fine. And this cable is also USB-C. Everything now is kind of converting to the USB-C cable. I feel like the normal USB-A will slowly disappear. So the few beneficial features of the AirPods Pro is, of course, there's longer battery life because you're not using the noise cancellation, so it gives us a bit of a really good positive of an extra hour of battery life, and also 6 hours with the case. I think that is a really good replacement, so even though it doesn't have the noise cancellation, you do get more battery life. Now the AirPods also have Find My feature, which locates the AirPods in like your surroundings, and there is also spatial audio where all the sounds will come from like around you. So it will definitely improve the experience of listening to music or watching videos, playing games. Okay, so I got the AirPods in. It's all connected to my phone. So now I'm just going to play some music for the first time. What should we pick? Let's get a bit of Drake. I can actually hear the bass now. In the normal AirPods, there was literally no bass, so wow. That feels so good. And the volume is like, I'm not even all the way to the top. Like, this is the perfect volume for me. So it's not even up to the full volume, and the music is so clear, there's no muffled, I don't hear anything muffled. It kind of distorts it a bit when I turn it all the way up. Yeah, all the way up gets a little bit muffled, but that's not comfortable to even have it that loud. So I was wearing my AirPods thinking the sound's not bad, but until I heard this. And so I must say I am extremely happy with my purchase of the AirPods Pro. I love how the music sounds, and it's definitely a big change from my AirPods first generation. So I do see a lot of differences, and I loved how advanced the AirPods 3 are, which are very similar to the AirPods Pro. So it gives off a premium feel, but it's also cheaper. And so these are a really good match if you are not a fan of the ear tips, and also if you don't use your noise cancellation as often as you should be for the price that you paid the Pros with. The stem is a little bit shorter, but it's manageable to hold. You don't have to fiddle around with it a lot. So this is why I love it, because it's just so practical for me. And so do let me know your thoughts on the new AirPods Pro. Is this something that you have been waiting for? Do let me know. And if you are getting those, and if you are the percentage of people that prefer the AirPods instead of the AirPods Pro because of the ear tips. And yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!